Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous wig from UNice Hair. UNice decided to go ahead and send me a 24-inch HD lace frontal unit. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal. It is in body wave, as you can see, and as you can see, we've put some gorgeous curls in it. It's giving more beach wave vibes, and I'm so here for that. I layered it up a bit, so the 24 inches is chopped up in bits and pieces, but I'm loving every single bit of it. Like, the hair is gorgeous. As you can see, it has a lot of shine to it. It's super silky. I love this install, especially because it is glueless. Yes, you heard it here first. Glueless, honey. I literally can lift my wig, take it off, move it, put it right back on, and just snap it into place. And so do the sideburns. They come up too, and I can put them back down and you would not even know. The curls in this hair is to die for. The glueless element is amazing, especially because it's summertime, it's hot. We're not gonna be using glue right now. Like, glue is just not the move. So definitely get your hands onto one of these glueless wigs from UNice. All I had to do was tighten the bands that were already in the back, and boom, just like that, this unit was glueless. So if you'd like to see how I installed my unit as well as did these gorgeous curls, just keep on watching. The links for this hair will be in the description box below for you to purchase if you would like to. And without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. am loving and living for these curls right now. This wig is actually from UNice Hair, and UNice decided to send me a 24-inch HD lace frontal body wave unit. So it is glueless. Like, as you can see, all I did to install was spray a little spray, but if I had to lift this up, I'm able to lift it right off, and I can put it right back down and it's stuck in place. And it's the same for the top. If I had to move it, like you guys can see, I can move it, put it back down, and it stays in place. I probably just have to press it into my skin, or just use the same little spray, then mousse, then tie it down with the elastic band for about, you know, about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'd be good to go. The hair is gorgeous. I'm loving my curls right now. This iron, this T3 iron, literally took the curl time from 40 minutes to about 30 or 25, and I am so here for that right now. Like, I now enjoy curling my hair because the curls last way longer and they look way better, as opposed to using my old iron. I implore you all to save up and get that T3 iron so you can curl your UNice wig like beautifully. This wig is actually super duper affordable, and you can go ahead and check the links in the description box if you would like to purchase this gorgeous wig from UNice. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling right now. I'm in love with this hair. Let me go take my pictures because I look so good right now, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.